Yo, what's up guys? I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Domino Dreams. This will basically give you unlimited coins and stars in the game, which you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as free shopping, unlimited coins and star, and much more. The next step is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once on your device, make sure you already have Domino Dreams installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next step is simply open your favorite browser and follow my instruction. In the search bar, type the Domino Dreams, like me, and press install. And now, after the installation is completed, Domino Dreams++ will be installed for your Android or iOS device. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.